Hola, it's Marin, and we're gonna learn some more Spanish today. Today, we're gonna learn about plants. Because as they say in Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, it's a surprise tool that will help us later, if you know what I mean. Anyway, let's just get right into it. Should I do that TikTok transition? Alright, on here, on this board. By the way, I don't have a photographer today, so you're gonna have to live with this. Here on my board, I have a list of words. We're gonna start with the flower, or the flowers. So, flower in Spanish is flor. So like we say floor, floor. And then if you are talking about multiple flowers, it's flores. And then if you want to say the flower is la flor. And then the flowers is las flores. How fun. Okay. Next word we're gonna learn is bud. So like a flower bud kind of idea. That is capullo. And then one of my favorite words is leaf, which is hoja. So this is a very fun Spanish word because we have the H and the J. So the H, if you remember, you don't really pronounce. And then the J is like an H. Hoja. And then stem. So if you're talking about the stem of a flower, tallo. And then if you're talking about root, so root of, you know, a plant, a flower, a tree, or anything like that is raíz. Kind of like rice, but you say it different. Raíz. Get it? Cool. Moving on. Petal, like on flowers, is pétalo. You just put an O at the end and an accent. Pétalo. And then seed. So if you are going to plant a seed to grow a tree or a flower or whatever, that is semilla. And then if you have a garden, multiple plants and or flowers, that is jardín. So again, the J, H, jardín. Then tree. I love trees. Okay, tree in Spanish is árbol. So put that accent on A, like I have written, árbol. And then if you just want to say plant, because, you know, you don't need to know the specific kind, you say planta. Alright, now I'm gonna walk around my yard and demonstrate the words IRL. Here I have many flowers, or flores. But in our shoes, here we have a tree, or árbol. And on the tree, we have leaves, or hojas. Here we have a bunch of plants that I do not know the name of, so I will refer to them as plantas. Over there and down here, you can see my mother's garden, or jardín. Here's a flower petal, or pétalo. And here are some flower buds, or capullos. This plant down here has a long stem, or tallo. And this tree back here has roots in the ground, or raíces. Although we didn't grow them from seeds, these flowers started out as seeds, or semillas. Alright, that's it for our Spanish lesson on plants. I hope that you are able to learn something from this and that you can replay this video and practice your pronunciation. And remember, you'll need this for later. That's a bad wink. Ah! It's a hint. We're gonna talk about plants later in another context. Anyway, adios!